Hello, the bros. How the hell y'all doing? As you can probably tell, we are not in the shop today. And the reason we are not in the shop today is because I'm actually starting a new project and I've decided to take you with me on this one. So a friend of mine bought this flat that you can see behind me. The flat is in a building that was built in like 1930s, I suppose. And the last time this flat was renovated was in the Soviet times. And let me show you the flat actually. So this is what we are dealing with. We already did quite a lot of demolition work. As you can see, we took off all of the plaster from the brick walls. We took down like 50 or 60 bags like this to the dumpster full of plaster from those walls. It was super dusty and I didn't really want to film here because it would probably ruin my camera. So yeah, I'll show you some pictures on how it used to look. The ceilings are super high, it's very nice. It's over 3 meters tall. We still have quite a lot of demolition to do here. We want to remove all of those decks so we can put some proper insulation between the beams and make it nice and insulated. Look at this totally awesome wood we found behind the plaster. I think we can totally restore it and reuse it. Maybe we can build like a small portion of the wall from this wood. It is so massive and so awesome. I totally like this wood. These are the Soviet radiators made from cast iron, super heavy, gives a lot of heat, very nice radiators. They're quite in a rough shape, but I think we can make them shine again. So much work here to do. We're gonna have some people coming tomorrow and taking all this trash to the dumpster. Let me show you what we have here. Let's be honest here, right now it looks like a complete shithole, which it is. But I think we can make it shine. And some people used to live here recently. They had this sink, sort of. It's kind of disgusting, to be honest. They had this gas stove which is all covered in grease, similar to Krusty Krab stuff. These are the walls. We have to take down all of that plaster, but we have to be totally careful with this wall because it's made from wood, and on the other side is the wall of the neighbor and we don't want to ruin his wall, so we have to be kind of careful here. And this is another little room where I keep my stuff for now, but we're gonna do some demolition here very soon. The plan for the flat is to have a bedroom here. This is the entrance door, and we're gonna have the bathroom area somewhere around here, little kitchen in that corner, and just a living room situation in that area. We are obviously gonna have the windows changed and everything. We're gonna take care of those floors as well. This whole flat is about 30 square meters. And I see some very good potential here. I think we can make it into a very nice flat. So that was just a little rundown of the flat for you. I think I'm gonna do some sort of like weekly series, just depending on how much footage I can gather. And I invite you on joining me on this flat renovation journey. I think it could be fun. And right now I'm gonna run to the hardware store real quick, get some stuff for work, and then get some work done. I'm not gonna film much because it's super dusty and I don't really want to ruin my camera. Oh, dude, that's some dusty stuff. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that project come alive. Thank you for tuning in. We have a lot to do here. So this is going to be my work for the next 2-3 months, I think. I invite you on this journey and I catch you in the next episode.